Hi, my name is Justin from Mason County PUD3. Here we are at JACO Environmental's Refrigerator and Freezer Recycling and Decommissioning Center. PUD3 is really excited to partner with JACO to come to our service territory and take out your second refrigerator or freezer or old refrigerator freezers that you're not interested in anymore. You can call the number 1-877-577-0510 and schedule a JACO representative to come to your house and to pick up your old refrigerator or freezer. It has to be in working condition and it has to be clean. If you have a second refrigerator or freezer, perhaps in your garage or shop, that's older than 20 years old, these can use 1,500 kilowatt hours per year. That's about $90 in utility bills. A little bit newer of a model can use about 500 kilowatt hours per year. That's about $30 in utility bills. Call JACO. They'll send their crew out, pick up your second refrigerator freezer, they'll recycle and decommission it and send you a check for $30. You also will save money on your monthly utility bills. So when a refrigerator freezer is picked up and brought to JACO, they show up here in a line. The guys remove the doors from the refrigerator and they mark it. This refrigerator is from a PUD customer. So it's going to go through the process and they're going to totally decommission it and ship it off for recycling. And that happens right here at the JACO plant. So this machine here is able to grab onto the refrigerators and freezers and to lift them up so that the guys can work on them. And what they do is they set it so that all of the refrigeration oils can drain out of it. They connect their equipment to it, and then they pull all of the refrigeration and all of the oils out of it, and it's put together, collected, put into barrels so they can be recycled and taken care of appropriately.
Once the refrigerants and oils are removed, the units are broken down and sorted by hand.
This is all recyclable. This cracks me.
So your refrigerator and your freezer contain a lot of metals that can be recycled. Here at JACO, they pull all these metals out and they send them off to recycling so they can be used again. So they also pull insulation out of the refrigerator and freezer in the breaking down process. The insulation is bagged up and shipped off to a power plant, and this is burned to create electricity, to create more energy. So all of it is reused. So part of the recycling process of the refrigerators and freezers is they take the glass that's left over and they collect it and they send it off to a manufacturer who repurposes it and adds it to paint that goes on reflective markers on the road. So after breaking down the shells of the refrigerator and freezer, they pull the compressors apart and these get sent off to be recycled as well. The only thing that's left at the end of this process is a little bit of insulation and the rubber gasket. 95% of your refrigerator or freezer is decommissioned and sent off to recycling or for reuse. This is a great process, and it really helps to keep these refrigerators and freezers off our grid. So Mason County PUD3 partners with JACO Environmental to recycle refrigerators and freezers from our service territory. It's a really simple process. All you have to do is call the phone number to JACO. You'll speak with one of their coordinators who will schedule a time to have some of the JACO Environmental representatives come to your house, pick up your working refrigerator or freezer, and they will come and they'll bring it to this facility and recycle it and decommission it. Then, in a few weeks, you'll get a check in the mail. It's a great deal, and we're really happy to partner with JACO in this process. Thanks for watching.